Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of Eureka Math. Today we are going to focus on expressing fractions as decimals. My name is Mr. Adams, and here's the first problem. 1/4. So let's write it down. So 1/4. Let's express that as a decimal. So that's a fraction, but we got to write it as a decimal. So here we go. This is what happens. So to express this number as a decimal, we got to multiply it by a number that is going to make it either a 10. Well, the answer, let me just give you a couple of information here. The answer must be written as a 10, hundredths, or thousandths. Okay? Tens, hundredths, and thousandths. Okay, my friends, so I believe we can multiply 4 by 25 because that is 4 quarters and that will make 100. So what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So you multiply 25 times 1 equals 25, and 4 times 25 equals 100. There you go. Now we have 25 hundredths. How do you write that in a decimal form? Well, we have 0 ones. These are the tenths, my friends, and these are the hundredths. So we gotta write it like this: 25 hundredths. Simple, right? Now remember, this symbol says that each of these products are the same. This product is the same as this, and this product is the same as this expression. Okay, now let's work with 120. Here is 120, my friends. Okay, so I have to multiply it, and remember, that has to be a tenth, a hundredth, or a thousandths. So I know that if I count by 2s, I will get 210. But if I count by 20, that will be 100, like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I think I can multiply this by 5, because 5 times 2 equals 10. And what you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. So 5 times 1 equals 5, and 20 times 5 equals 100. My friends, we have 5 hundredths. How do we write that in hundreds? Well, here's one clue. If you see 2 zeros, that means you need 2 places. And it's called 5 hundredths. Do not write it on the first one, because these are 0 tenths, and these are called hundredths. And the hundredths go right here, 5 hundredths. Okay, my friends, that was problem number 2. Let's solve one with which is a mixed number. Let's rewrite it: 3 and 31 fifths. Once again, we have to convert the denominator into a tenth, a hundred, or 1,000 to make it a decimal, to turn the number into a decimal. So we're going to multiply this by, I will say that 5 times 2 equals 10, so 15 times 2 equals 100. Okay, so let me do something here so you can understand this. So let's do this: 3 times 31. Sorry, let me focus here. So we separated the whole number from the mixed number, times 2 over 2, my friends. Do you see that? Now when you multiply this, it's going to be 3 plus, and you multiply 31 times 2 equals 62, and 50 times 2 equals 100. And this is going to be equal to 3 wholes and 62 hundredths. Now we have to write the equivalent in decimals. So let's write this down, my friends. Again, it's 3 wholes and 62 hundredths. Okay, my friends, so this is how you find the equivalent fractions, the equivalence for a fraction with a decimal. And remember, you have to convert the fraction into a decimal, my friends. My friends, keep learning, stay focused. That's power, my friends. Stay focused, review the lessons and the videos. Have a great afternoon.